Welcome back to the channel. I am currently here by myself. This is going to be the second leaf cleanup of the day. We're going to get the backpack blower and blow around the house. If you like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Well, that was not how I had intended or planned on it going. I was not thinking that I was going to be able to take the stander, the Scag blower down this hill here. It's extremely steep, and I didn't think that was going to hang that hill. The max incline on that stander says 20 degrees. This is definitely a lot steeper than 20 degrees. What do you guys think? How'd the cleanup go? Let me know in the comments below. Way down there, I started taking the stander through the backyard down there by the lake and decided that just wasn't a good idea. My phone is about to die, so I ended up getting the backpack blower and blowing most of that stuff down there into the woods, so I didn't get that on camera. This is the second cleanup of the day, and hopefully Julian is here tomorrow. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat some dinner, and probably edit videos for you guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know, because I really do appreciate those comments. God bless, take care. Michael Douglas Lawn Care signing off. Peace, love, happiness, kisses. Bye.